In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Salesforce. We'll start inside Salesforce. First, log into your Salesforce account, then head over to the Salesforce App Exchange. In the search bar, look for Zoom for Salesforce and open the app listing. Once you're on the listing page, click Get It Now to begin the installation. At this point, Salesforce will ask whether you want to install the app in a sandbox or a production environment. Choose the option that fits your setup. If you want to test everything first, Sandbox is usually the safer choice. After that, agree to the terms, start the installation, and select which user should have access to the app. Then complete the installation and wait for Salesforce to finish processing it. Once the package is installed, the next part is configuring Zoom inside Salesforce. Click the Setup gear icon and open Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Installed Packages. Find the Zoom package in the list, then open its settings. Here, take a moment to review the available integration options and configure them based on how your team plans to use Zoom within Salesforce. After that, you'll connect your Zoom account. Open the Zoom app from within Salesforce. Then click Authorize or Connect Account, depending on what appears on your screen. Sign in to your Zoom account, review the permissions the integration is requesting, and click Allow. After a few moments, you should see a confirmation message showing that the connection was successful. Next, you'll need to assign permissions so the right users can actually use the integration. Go back to Setup and search for permission sets. Look for the Zoom permission sets that were installed with the package, then assign the appropriate ones to your users. When you're done, save your changes. This step is important because even if the package is installed correctly, users may not see the Zoom features unless they have the correct access. Now you can add Zoom components to your Salesforce pages. Open Setup again and search for Lightning App Builder. Open the page you want to customize, then drag the Zoom components onto the page layout. After placing them where you want them, configure the component settings, save the page, and activate it so users can start seeing those updates. Finally, test the integration to make sure everything is working properly. Open a lead, contact, opportunity, or another supported record, then access the Zoom component on that record page. Try scheduling a meeting or webinar and verify that the Zoom event is created successfully. Then confirm that the information syncs correctly between Salesforce and Zoom, and that's how to integrate Zoom with Salesforce from installation through testing.